Welcome to the Motorola Moto E40, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First, just select the application and drag this up to another one, and now we have created the new home screen folder on our device home screen. If you want to add here more applications, just by the same way, hold it and drag it to the folder. So if you want to give a name to the application, to the folder, tap here to edit name and enter just for example, let's use the apps. Tap to the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully give a name, or also you can rename the folder by the same way. And if you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it. For example, if you want to add it here to the right down corner, we can also move the folders between the screens here, or we can create a new screen with a folder. That's also not a problem. If you want to just remove the application from the folder, just hold it and drag it to your device home screen if you want to stay with this application on your home screen. If you want to remove the application from the holder and from the home screen, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. And just if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder in one click, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.